To Texas tonight, where firefighters are working every second to put out the biggest wildfire the state has ever seen. The deadly Smokehouse Creek fire is just 15% contained, and it has destroyed hundreds of homes and businesses, damaged numerous crops, and killed thousands of livestock. Attorney Joel Pardo with Pardo and Homan Trial Lawyers joining us now. First of all, we want to thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
And Joel, let's start with this. What steps can our viewers affected by the fires, what steps can they take right now that will help them rebuild their lives once these fires have ceased?
Well, that's a great question. And, you know, being born and raised in the Panhandle, I still have very strong connections with everybody in the affected area. And my law firm has been inundated with phone calls with confusion and concerns about exactly that. What can we be doing right now? And the first thing that I would say is be vigilant. The truth is that there will be businesses and individuals coming in from outside of the community to take advantage of your situation. And the purpose of these businesses will not be to help you, it will be to help them. And so everyone needs to be on the lookout for insurance fraud scams, lawyer fraud scams. And the other thing is to realize that even your own insurance in a time like this, a lot of times we like to think that our own insurance companies have our interests in mind. But in a situation like this, where thousands of people are filing claims at the exact same time, oftentimes insurance companies will do whatever they can to minimize their insured's damages in order for them to have to pay out less. So I would be
Go ahead.
Very careful about what information that you share with anyone, even your own insurance company. I wouldn't accept any money. I wouldn't sign any documents promising compensation immediately, and make sure that whoever you are interacting with, that you have done the background research to verify that they are who they say they are, and that they are qualified to be giving you the advice and help that they are purporting to do, which would be to help you get compensation for all of the damages that you have just suffered. Another key step that I think your viewers could do is call your local insurance agent. Make sure that you get a copy of your full insurance policy with all of your endorsements and attachments. That way, you can consult an attorney and you yourself can look over your insurance policy and make sure that you have an understanding of what type of damages will and will not be covered.
Before we let you go, Joel, is there a place our viewers can go to find a clear and concise compilation of all the information, because we know this can be so overwhelming, all the information they need to know about seeking help recovering from their wildfire damages?
Absolutely. So we've put together a website called panhandlewildfires.com, and this website is essentially a resource so that all the members of the Panhandle can visit and find different pieces of information that will be applicable to their specific situation, whether it's losing livestock, whether it's losing crops, whether it's losing your home. And so that would be the best place to visit. That's panhandlewildfires.com.
Joel Pardo, we know that you are from the area, as you mentioned. We are thinking of you and everyone there right now. Thank you for joining us tonight on the National Desk.
My pleasure.